Hi everyone, it is me Shadib Kamal and I'm just teaching you some more things in PHP. So actually what I'm just doing, as you knew that we just sent the request from the index.php to receive.php, and here I just mentioned the action variable where I just put it the name of the other page, the receive.php. But now what I'm just doing actually, I'm just copying whole the code of the receive.php and simply not deleting from the receive.php. Actually it means receive.php is in the place, but I'm just copying the receive.php paste code and pasting it to index.php wherever I just want. I can paste it in the middle of the coding, at last of the coding, or at the starting. So I'm just pasting this at the start. So what I'm just going to do more, the thing is actually what it is, why I just pasted this code. The thing is actually we can receive the codes, the all the variables instead of any other code, any other page. We can receive all the requests on the same page. Okay, we don't need to jump out to any other page like receive.php. We can receive the request on this page. But the thing is that where to show this code, the sorry or the username or password, this should be on the last. So I'm just cutting this and pasting this whole PHP script at last. And here we can do multiple things. For example, don't uh, don't need to mention the action variable, so I'm just deleting the action variable and action attribute, and the form automatically will be redirected to the index.php page. It means it won't go anywhere. Okay, this is first method. So I'm just refreshing this, and now you can see that sorry, there is no request to be received. And when I just click on submit, why they're telling there is no request to be received? Because yet the validate input type isn't validated now. So when I just click on submit, now you can see that the username is rf@gmail.com and the password is rfpass. The other things, to mention the same page, I can create the action variable again, and here I can type the index.php. This is another method. Obviously this will work, but one more, and the other method is putting the PHP inside the coding in this way, and just type echo. Okay, if you just want to show or visible anything in PHP, you have to use the echo. You already knew. And here what I'm just doing, if you remember, we just learned about the server super global array. Okay, here you know that if I just mention PHP self, then the mean of PHP self is actually the name of the file. Okay, before applying this here, I'm just copying this or cutting whatever. I'm just copying this, okay, and just pasting after this echo. And here I'm just using the br. Okay, let's just paste the br and go to the browser to check. Refresh that now. Yeah, reload. Now you can see that php underscore index.php. This is the working of server request. Okay, server super global array, which is actually the PHP self. So now what I'm just doing, actually just remove that, and when I just send this thing, I'm just actually, instead of refreshing, just pressing enter, actually re-entering the all the data. And now you can see that sorry, there isn't any request we received. So I'm just typing test@gmail.com, and the password is asd, and I'm just clicking on submit button. You can see that we're receiving the request on this page, and now you can see that the index.php is visible. Why? This is because of PHP self. When I just send the request through the PHP self, then it actually just showing, or actually just send the index.php in the path as well, in the through the action attribute. So in this way we can actually implement the PHP easily inside any variable or inside any attribute or any other thing. So stay tuned and goodbye.